Hi, this is Charlie from femaletemplates.com. I'm going to show you how to add a large collage to your female program using our photo collage template. Once you have purchased and downloaded the photo collage template from femaletemplates.com and opened it in Microsoft Word, this is what it will look like. This is a large photo collage here, and it's in two parts so you can put it onto a single page in your female program. Now to select it, you'll see that the photos are all grouped together. Now to edit one photo, I click it again and select it like this. I go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, click this little arrow, click Picture, select my picture and press Insert. Now you'll see it looks quite stretched, so to solve this problem we go to Picture Format, we click this little arrow next to Crop and we click Fill. Now if you would like to move your photo, you can simply click it and drag it around to get it in the right position. You can also use this arrow here to stretch the photo out if you want to zoom in on a part of it. I think I'll bring it back in a little bit and we'll have it right there. Now I click off of the photo. Now to put it into the female program, I select it by clicking the whole thing so that this is selected. To copy the photo collage, we select Ctrl+C, or you can right click and select Copy. So now we'll go to our female program. This is an 8-page female program. This is the front cover and the back cover here. So I'm going to scroll down and put my photo collage right here. So I'm just simply going to delete what's on the page and paste my photo collage in. To do that, I'm going to press Ctrl+V. Or you can right click and press paste, and I'm going to drag my photo collage into the right place. So I'm going to pop it right there. And that's simply it. You've put your photo collage into your female program. So it's nice and easy to add your collage, and there's also some instructions you can follow, and you'll find those on the first page of the photo collage template. If you would like to purchase this photo collage template, click the link in the description below this video or go to femaletemplates.com.